Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Best Pro. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best outdoor dog kennels. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Oxgord Heavy Duty Metal Dog Playpen. Oxgord Heavy Duty Metal Dog Playpen is an easy dog kennel, however may be terrific to provide a safe and cozy environment to your pet. The dog will have enough space to play and work out. It is customizable as well. Besides, you will have the choice to attach more playpens to have a zoo-like cage. The first-rate component is that it's miles foldable and lightweight and may be best for the transportation. The setting will take much less than 5 minutes. There could be rust-resistant coating to provide a long-lasting end result. A door can be included for the easy accessibility. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Amazon Basics Folding Metal Dog Kennel with Paw Protector. Amazon Basics Folding Metal Dog Kennel with Paw Protector is designed to offer a convenient option to the pet owners to revel in their canine's outdoors activities. This kennel will come with single and double doorways for the facade and front entry. Besides, there might be slide-out latches on the doorways to offer protection and protection. It is product of the robust and high-quality construction to offer a durable end result. It is also foldable, that makes it clean for the transport and storage. There is a versatile divider panel that you can adjust depending on the requirements. At number 3, we have the Midwest Pets Foldable Metal Exercise Pet Playpen. Midwest Pets Foldable Metal Exercise Pet Playpen is one of the exceptional outside dog kennels available in the cutting-edge market. It comes with a terrific creation and gives sufficient space. It is designed to meet all of the necessities of your canine. This canine kennel will include 8 heavy responsibility panels that you could use to create your preferred configuration. Besides, there will be a double latch door for the smooth get admission too. It is compact and foldable, that makes it a very good choice for the transportation. At number 2, we have the Large House Lodge and Porch Deck Kennels. You will love the layout and look of this outdoor canine kennel. It offers the affect of a porch home. It can be the satisfactory domestic for your canine that comes with a revolutionary and magnificent layout. Your dog will absolutely love it. The kennel has a massive indoors on the way to offer a number of room and your dog to revel in the sports. There will be a spacious the front deck to take a nap. During the sunlight hours, your canine will enjoy the indoor activities. And finally, at number 1, we have the Waterproof Cover Lucky Outdoor Dog Kennel. Waterproof Cover Lucky Outdoor Dog Kennel is designed for both the domestic dog and grown-up puppies. It will provide a secure and relaxed surroundings on your puppy for your absence. There may be enough space to transport around. It will come with wire mesh and steel bars to save you any aspect and to provide the desired safety. Besides, it'll have a water-resistant rooftop to protect your canine from the cruel weather situations. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this outdoor dog kennels, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.